In this video, I will be showing you how to make YouTube likes and subscriptions private. Let's get started. First, I start on a new Chrome tab and click the search bar to type in YouTube. I select YouTube from the search suggestions or results, which opens up the main YouTube homepage. Once the homepage loads, I head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on my profile icon. This opens up the account drop-down menu. From here, I scroll down toward the bottom of the list and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, I look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. I move down and select the Privacy tab. This brings up the Privacy Settings page where I can manage what is shared on my YouTube profile. Under the Subscriptions section, there is an option that says Keep all my subscriptions private. I locate the toggle switch right next to it and click it to turn it on, making sure it turns blue. Below that section, you can also view and adjust additional settings like mentions, live chat options, top fans leaderboard preferences, and ad settings if you want to further customize your privacy on the platform. Enabling the subscriptions toggle automatically saves your choice, keeping your subscribed channels private from other viewers on your profile. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.